Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add plastic effect to your video on CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my video and I'm going to add the plastic effect to this video. First thing first, guys, we can go to the effect section and we have to choose the video effect. In this video effect, we have to go to the texture option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the texture category. This one, guys, just click on this category and you can scroll down to find the plastic effect. This one you can choose plastic or plastic 2, and I'm gonna go with a plastic 2, and then we can adjust the effect by clicking on this adjust button. We can adjust the texture right here. Okay, and I'm just going to select 100. Then we can click on this check mark and you can make the effect align with your video by dragging the effect, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add the plastic effect to our video on CapCut mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.